Before starting off this video, I want to say that let's learn to make memes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel sourceboxtv. And I know why you are here. You want to make things like pewdiepie, which sound is here, and all of you want to make memes like Moonga, Among Us. Yeah, it's scary. And if you want to be cool on internet, share with your friends and support memes. So like you are on the correct channel because I'm going to tell you in this video from everything how to make memes and everything. So now before wasting your time, let's move to my desktop and start making memes. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And how are you? If you like this video, comment, like and subscribe. This will not interfere on the track. So like I was telling you which is best recommended website for me, and it is the myinstance.com, which you will see. It is the best website. It has over millions of sounds for your YouTube video, and you know they are all free, most of non-copyrighted, and you can use it in the videos, and there is no restriction. So you can download and put in your video when it's gaming, purify, like making, or any type of accessory. My favorite sound is this one. It's wow, really funny. And this wine is moved to
Run.
And like this most famous one that you all know, it's this from even 1980s people who know that Mario Jump. And they have this sad violin. So like we are on back and they all have this song. Go and like and subscribe the video. So you understand. So like we are back to video ending, so like you can go and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video. So now back to our web. So this website provides you all the details in which you can make your perfect video with good quality sound. So you need to see how you will add a video clip. I will add this one, and you know how I am. So like this is very simple. You can also buy this.
Before
It is more less than $5-6. Like you add an audio, you can select file and add the font, like and name this.
starting off this video,
I will go to this, make it 100%.
before starting off this video, I want
Did you hear that? Yes, that. Don't hear. Don't mind. Here. Yeah, you want to do things like. Did you hear that walk? It is really fun sound. So like, you know. So what we can do? Edit your video, make it exported. So like you can have that fun content. So see you in next video. Wrong bloopers. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.